Hi guys, I just wanted to go over your homework from last night so that it can help you with tonight's homework, with just making sure that you understand it and making sure that you know not to repeat certain mistakes. So number one, you should have combined like terms on the left side. A minus 4a is negative 3a because you have like an invisible 1 there. And then 2a minus 5a is negative 3a plus 1. If I were to add the 3a to both sides, the 3a's would cancel. I would just be left with numbers, and those numbers make a false statement, so the answer is no solution. Okay, when you're just left with numbers, no variables, and a false equation, no solution. Number two, we're going to distribute 6 minus 24r, bring down the 3r, distribute negative 9r plus 6, and then bring down the minus 6r. On each side, I have like terms. So I have like terms on the left side. That'll give me 6 minus 21r. On the right side, I have negative 9r and negative 6r. So I have negative 15r plus 6. So I'm going to get my r's together on the same side and my numbers. If you subtract 6 on both sides, the 6's cancel. You have negative 21r equals negative 15r. To get your r's on the same side, you add 21r to both sides, or you could have added 15r. Either way. They cancel from this side, which leaves me with nothing, 0. And on the right side, I have 6r. R is still in the problem. Okay, so this is not no solution. This is not all real numbers. You divide both sides by 6. R equals 0. 0 divided by 6 is 0. So this is telling you that the answer to the problem, the value of r that makes the equation true, is 0. Okay. Going to example 3, I'm going to combine some like terms. 9x and 3x is 12x minus 10, and I'll distribute 9x plus 3x, which these can be combined also to give us 12x. So I'm going to subtract 12x on both sides, and again the variables are gone and you're just left with numbers. You're left with negative 10, and then you're left with nothing, which is 0 on the right. False equation with just numbers, no solution. Again, this means that there's no answer to the problem. There's no value of x that would make the equation true. And then the last one, I'm going to distribute 3x minus 12, and then I'm going to combine like terms. So I have 5x minus 2x is 3x. Oops, 3x. And 9 and minus 21 is going to give us negative 12. Okay. So we have 3x minus 12 equals 3x minus 12. If you have exactly the same expression on both sides, you could stop there and just say the answer is all real numbers, meaning every number makes this equation true. If you keep going, you're going to end up with 0 equals 0. So if I were to subtract 3x on both sides, I get negative 12 equals negative 12. I have no variables, just numbers, but I have a true statement. If you add 12, you get 0 equals 0. Again, these all tell you that every number works for this equation, all real numbers. Okay, so hopefully this helps you with tonight's homework. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.